Optical physics is the study of light and how it behaves. It is a branch of physics that focuses on the properties of light and how it interacts with different materials and objects. Light is a type of energy that travels in waves. These waves have different properties, such as their color, intensity, and wavelength. Different colors of light have different wavelengths. For example, red light has a longer wavelength than blue light, and blue light has a shorter wavelength than green light. The way that light travels can be affected by different things. For example, when light hits a mirror, it reflects off the mirror and bounces back in the opposite direction. This is called reflection. When light hits a transparent object, like a window, it passes through the object and continues on its path. This is called transmission. When light hits a solid object, like a wall, it is absorbed by the object and does not continue on its path. This is called absorption. Optical physics also studies how light behaves when it passes through different materials. Some materials, like glass, allow light to pass through them easily. These materials are called transparent. Other materials, like wood, do not allow light to pass through them easily. These materials are called opaque. When light passes through a transparent material, it can also be bent or refracted. This happens because light travels at different speeds through different materials. When light passes from one material to another, it changes speed and changes direction. This is called refraction. Optical physics also studies how light behaves when it passes through lenses. Lenses are special curved pieces of glass or other transparent materials that can change the direction of light. Lenses can make objects appear bigger or smaller, or they can make objects appear closer or farther away. There are many different types of lenses, including concave lenses, which curve inward, and convex lenses, which curve outward. Different lenses can do different things, like magnify objects or make images appear clearer. Optical physics also studies how light can be used for different purposes. For example, light can be used to see things better, like in a flashlight or a telescope. Light can also be used to communicate, like in a laser pointer or a fiber optic cable.